Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Couple of unboxings. I am exhausted today, but I am going to get through these because I'm excited to see what's inside them. One of them has been, let's just say it's been a long time coming, and it is sat with Alan over in Canada, who did my polished carve Christopher Bradley razor, and this one was also sent from Al, opened by Australian Post for inspection by the Australian Border Force. Look at that, fantastic. Let's hope they didn't ruin it or steal anything. So, given that Alan is a top bloke and he put a brush, which I wasn't expecting in that last parcel, I'm hoping he hasn't put anything in this one, and I'm fairly certain he wouldn't have. This should be a bunch of soaps from a very, very good company who makes some fantastic scents. And here they are. So we have pretty much a whole box of Heritage Hill shaving soaps. And the first, these have been sat for a long time, so I'm hoping the scents are still okay. I love these little tubs. This one is called John Paul Jones. And it is bay rum, teakwood, cedar, bergamot and patchouli. 3 ounces, which will still last a very long time. And that's a really nice scent. That's very much a it's a very sort of bay rum forward scent. It's lovely, really nice. Put that one to the side, and then we have the next one. Now, I apologise to the lovely people over at Heritage Hill, because these, oh God, these should have been with me 18 months ago. These are they probably have new scents out. These are probably old. Here we go. Washington. Tobacco bay, jasmine, patchouli, sweet orange and fir needle. I love these little tubs. I love the labels. Okay, that's slightly different to the first one, but in some ways reasonably similar as well. I've just had something to eat, so it's clogged up my throat a little bit. Right, what have we got next? We've got, maybe throw that one away. We've got Libertas soap, which does not have a scent profile, does it? No. Now that is a beautiful cologne scent. That's a really nice scent. No, these aren't majorly strong scented soaps, but that smells really nice. 3 ounce soaps. Lovely little tubs. Just to give you a bit of comparison, I do still have my Asgard Casino sat here, just for a size comparison on tub. So as you can see, there is quite a significant difference in the size. Right, next we have yet another, I think I remember now. I'm pretty sure Libertas and this one Midnight Ride, these are based on colognes from memory. So this one here is Midnight Ride. The dog has to be inside the bathroom when I'm here. We're a new dog. And here we go. Once again, that's I'm trying to think what that smells like. That does have a familiar smell to it, but it's been a long time since I've been in the game with my nose, so I am a little bit off the boil. Sovereignty shave soap, black tea, bergamot, cedar, jasmine and patchouli. That's a nice scent. That's a really nice tea scent. Quite sweet. I'm not getting much more from it there. So it actually just smells like a really nice cup of tea, cup of chai. Next. We have the People's Soap. Oh, it's another really, really nice cologne scent. Not quite sure on that one what it reminds me of, but It was really nice. And we have here, I believe, I already have this in the original formula. The Patriot, lime, bergamot and patchouli. Love these little tubs. Great labels. They feel quite sturdy. And that's a very lime forward scent, so there's not really much more to that, to be honest. Lime and bergamot, so it's quite a citrusy type scent. And I think that's us. That is us. This is what I've got. Oh, I've got a commercial invoice from. So these were actually sent from the Razor Company. So but in collaboration with Heritage Hill. So they sent them up to Canada to be sent to me. There we go. Thank you from the Razor Company. Traditional shaver. Traditional shaver. Nice stickers. I'll probably actually use these somewhere. But let me set them to the side. Bring this box back up with all the junk. That's unboxing number one. I will do the other one on a different video, I think. This is a Heritage Hill video. The next one is going to be a little bit, I'm not actually quite sure what's in the box, to be fair. I've been told there's a razor in there. It was released on the 10th of June and it didn't get delivered to me till ages after that. So let's leave it there. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.